Would you like to come over to my house and have dinner with me?
Maybe we could cook dinner together?
What time should we plan on getting together?
Do you have any suggestions on what we could make?
We should probably make a grocery list.
Do you want to go to the grocery store together?
What grocery store do you prefer?
If we could go together, do you want me to drive?
Should we pick up any wine or beer to drink at dinner?
Maybe we can split the grocery bill?
Maybe we can split the grocery bill.
Some time to catch up with one another.